Finally get Mindy's car out of my garage. ZV5 Sundown.
You got the driver right here.
Your boy over here is handsome. Look at my eyes. You see it. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right. Today has finally come. What day is today? What's happening? I'm gonna tell you. Finally get Mindy's car out of my garage because they're dropping it off at Cooney to get her system not only redone, but upgraded. You know, let me sing a song. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I don't know. Spotify, check me out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go downstairs, pull Mindy's car forward, pop her trunk. That sounds weird. Gotta get access to her system. I'm gonna remove everything. And if you remember, one of her lithium batteries, or her lithium battery actually, pretty much went up and caught fire. Luckily, we saved a lot, but we gotta get this thing moved forward so I can get access to the back. Let's get to it, y'all. All right, just to remind you guys, she's currently running one 12-inch ZV5 Sundown, okay? Her amps and everything are down here. DevBox 4900, and then the 4 channels down there. So I'm gonna have to disconnect all these power wires. There's no power running through it because I took the fuse out, because the original lithium battery was sitting right here and that went up. But what we're doing is we're gonna be putting 2. So we got one right here and we got another one right here, this bad boy. And it's gonna be, instead of the port being here, it's gonna be ported through the car. Let's see if you can, let me try to get y'all some more light. So it's gonna be ported through the armrest right here. Yeah. All that power, all that sound pressure, everything should be coming in here, which is gonna relieve a lot of pressure from the trunk, so there's not really any rattling. So, let's get it. Let's get it going, man. Let's remove this. Mindy's gonna meet with me later because we gotta drive these cars, but let's get it in. All right, all done, taking everything out. So this is what's looking like now. Oh yeah, guess who decided to show up?
What up, guys? I'm here.
Yeah. Always after I'm finished. How ironic is that, right? Yeah, so like this is like the power cord, some of the RCAs. Let's get this one out of here. Everything's gonna be out and not looking like this. So battery in here, have it covered, and then hopefully like have the 4-channel amp here, and maybe the subwoofer amp here, and the box is gonna come out, and then I don't know. That's just so everything's easily accessible. We got the amp for the sub, the 4-channel amp, one of the subwoofers, and now we're gonna head out, go see Cooney, and drop the car off.
You got the driver right here.
Oh yeah, yeah. So just in case you didn't know, she's gonna be driving her own car. That's what she's gonna be doing. Okay, and I'm gonna drive my car.
And then I'm gonna drive with you back.
All right, now we're hopping on the road. Let's get this cleaned up.
So hit me up on the 30th, and I'm like, oh.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay.
I'm just happy.
All right. So the big amp is right there. The 4 channels on the other side. This is what was in here.
Yeah, that's what Robert made. He made that like.
Okay.
But it just pops right out.
Right.
So the idea that she kind of had was maybe like the battery down here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like plexiglass this whole part right here, and then having lights maybe. Because you know what I mean, she's gonna want to take it to shows and stuff like that. So
Yes.
you know what I mean. But like when you open it, it's like you're getting lights from here, and then from the box also. When she opens the trunk or if it's parked, it's like damn, like that's nice. Do your thing, have fun. So
Yeah.
keep it nice, clean, and cool.
You got it.
Perfect.
Alrighty then. I just need the keys then.
Oh yes.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you did it. Your car is gone. It's gone.
I'm so excited.
Hey man, make sure you like and subscribe, man. Your boy over here is handsome. Look at my eyes. You see it. You see it. Yeah. Nah, but like, subscribe, follow, enjoy, and hopefully Mindy doesn't mess this one up. What can I say? What can I say to end this video? Yes. Just yes. If you're thinking about helping somebody, if you're thinking about donating, if you're thinking about walking that old lady across the street, or maybe even throwing some change to help somebody pay for the groceries, just think of yes. Just yes. So today I'm leaving you with the word yes. Just always say yes, man. Try it out for a day. All right, y'all? Import Life Media. Stay blessed, y'all.